If you want to see how I did this look, stay tuned. What's up? What's up? What's up, my lovelies? I'm back. I'm back. Um, I need y'all to go ahead and hit that notification, subscribe, and get to it. Get into this part. But just my skincare routine. If you want a detailed video, I can do that. Just let me know in the comments below. So I'm filling in my brows with a waterproof pencil. It's nothing spectacular, nothing, just something I got from my neighborhood beauty supply store. And I am just filling in that shape that I love. I'm using my spoolie to make sure that everything is blended in. Of course, what you do with one side, you got to do to the other. Don't nobody like cousins. I love my eyebrows to be twins over here. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing on this side. And yeah, it's crazy because this face that I'm making is odd. I don't know. I have no idea why girls or anybody who does makeup like make these faces. Like it helps us concentrate or something. But this is my Born This Way concealer. It's in the shade Chestnut, and it's a shade lighter than my skin tone, which is great and perfect for highlighting all the points of my face. So like I said, what I do to one side, I do to the other, and I am just perfecting those lines underneath my eyebrow. And as you will see, I'm going to do the top part of my eyebrow as well. Girl is, yes, I was proud of my eyebrows. It's crazy because I tell people all the time, if your eyebrows ain't right, the face itself is you just throw it away. Like it's no point to even continue. It's a mess. And I don't know about anybody else, but I got one time to do my eyebrows. If I don't do them right the first time, they never gonna get right. They are sometimes the death of me. Do you see how serious I am? But I'm taking a little buffer brush and I am blending all of that out. Just so when I actually do my eyeshadow base when I do my foundation, that everything just blends in seamlessly. No one wants that nasty, harsh line, that trifling chalk line, like it's a scene, like although I killed these brows. It should be a crime. But don't nobody want to see that. It should be a nice blend from my concealer into my foundation and or my eyeshadow. So I am taking my P. Louise white concealer and I am doing a flat base. This is going to make my eyeshadow pop that you see right here. I'm using the Morphe James Charles palette, and they don't have names. I don't know why. Well, maybe they did on the plastic when I first got it, but I ain't got it no more. But it's the blue shade. If you count 4 rows going down and then 4 columns going to the right, that's the blue shade that I'm packing in my corners. And I am packing and sweeping it across the area underneath my eyebrow. And I'm taking that same base and I'm cutting my halo. And you kind of want this to be like a tent. So you want the top part to be rounded and larger than the bottom part. And this is going to give you that halo shape. I say make this as big as possible, and then you can go in and fill in with shadows as best as you want. Now I'm taking a darker blue shade, which is literally right underneath of the light blue shade in the same palette, and I am packing it in the corners to give more of a shadow, more of depth. So you'll have the lighter blue all over the lid, and then you'll have this darker, almost like a denim type color in the corners of your eyes. More so like a transition almost. And now I'm using this really gorgeous shimmer blue, and it's going to be in the same palette on the left side of that first shade blue. So it's going to be on the 4th row. Now I'll put my lashes on off camera because y'all know how these lashes get sometimes. But of course, I'm only rocking one brand, and that's Nuva Luxe Raw. And these are the style Envy, because this look like, oh, what's up? I'm using some eyelash glue to adhere my glitter. This glitter is also by Nuva Luxe Raw and is the shade Sin. And baby, these glitters, let's talk about these glitters. All right, so generally when we have glitters from these cosmetic companies, let's be honest, they feel like they from Michael's, they feel like they from the craft store. You can literally feel every particle, and don't nobody want to go blind just to have some glitter. What I can say about this is that they are super fine. I don't feel like there's going to be a brick or anything fall into my eyes. It doesn't feel like there's weight on my eyelid. It's just giving me that extra flair that every girl wants. So I did my eyeliner first, and then I applied the glue. And as you see, I am now applying the glitter to make my wing, and it's just giving this look that extra flair that it needs. Like, baby, it's a sin, literally, like, no pun intended. It's a sin how clean this look is coming together. I'm just like in awe. So as you see, I'm using one of my makeup brushes. It is super small and detailed, and it's perfect for me to get in little corners, especially the tip of my wing. And we'll see how this is all coming together. I'm loving this look. I hope y'all digging this look, because I really am. And you know your girl got you. She got you with saving them duckies. So if you're looking for some flawless mink lashes or to get your hands on this glitter, click the link down in the comment section and use the discount I am Serenity so you can save some duckies. Because I don't know about you, but I love to save some coins. So this is just me doing my foundation. I am using Fit Me Maybelline shade 355. I applied my concealer, the same concealer as I cut my brows. And I like to fan it down just to dry it down, and it gives me a better coverage. So of course, got to blend it out, blend it out, blend it out. And I am cutting my cheeks, contouring these bad boys, because I love a defined cheek, a bone. I don't know about you guys. I do a little bit on my nose. I don't go full-fledged contour. I like, the roundness of my nose, but I like to get in the inner corners of my eyelids, and I chisel my cheek a little bit. So most people do their setting powders before they contour. I like to do mine afterwards. Don't ask me why, I just do. And I press mine in. The only time I actually bake is if I am doing a look in which I think I'm going to have a lot of fallout. But I definitely always bake my nose. And when I'm doing clients that I'm going to be outside, or they're going to be outside, or if I'm doing a shoot in which I'm going to be outside, then I may bake. But outside of that, I don't do that. So I tell you all the time, please, Black women, it is okay to use blush. We blush. So the easiest way to find your cheekbones is to just smile and apply it right upon it. As you see, I'm doing a harsh reverse contour just to give me a little bit more, snatch these jaws. I don't even know why I did this lip. As you see in the beginning of the video, I completely changed it, but this is my go-to nude lip. I am using a brown pencil. Don't ask me what's by, because I have no idea. It's just super smooth, which I love. And I'm using CoCo from the Nuva Luxe Raw collection. They have these really cute lipsticks. If you would like me to do a review on them, just let me know. And I'm filling it in, doing kind of like an ombre with my Nicki Nude. And like I said, like it's a really cute lip. It just wasn't for me with this look. I just need a little bit more. So I'm spraying myself down, and I don't know if y'all know, but after y'all do y'all setting spray, please get y'all blenders, your blender sponges, and just press it in. I promise you, you'll love me afterwards. So I'm finishing it up with a little highlight by Juvia's Place, and golly, I love me a highlight, baby. Like I don't know about y'all, you can never have too much highlight. Like you just can't. So you just highlight the points that you want to show the most on camera. That's just like everywhere, clearly. And I can't do a look without doing my inner corners. Like it finishes the look for me. And I almost thought I was gonna be done, but I just smudged out some black liner underneath my eyes to finish up the look. So I thoroughly enjoyed this look. Um, if you like it, let me know. If you don't say nothing. Keep it to yourself. But stay tuned. I'm trying to get this content out more regularly. So, of course, embrace eternity, forever serenity. Stay serene, you guys.